Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Looker Studio with Google step by step clearly. To install Looker Studio with Google, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in Looker Studio and press enter. On the search results page, click on the official Looker Studio link. Once on the Looker Studio homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click the Get Started button to proceed. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts. After signing in, you will be taken to the Looker Studio dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Create button. Select Data Source from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the type of data source you want to connect to. Common options include Google Sheets, BigQuery, or other Google products. After selecting your data source, follow the on-screen instructions to connect. Authorize Looker Studio to access your data if prompted. Once connected, you can customize your data source settings. Click on Create Report after setting up your data source. In the report interface, use the Add a Chart menu to select your visualization type. Drag and drop your chosen data fields into the report. You can further customize your report by adjusting dimensions and metrics. When you're satisfied with your report, click on Share in the upper right corner. Set your sharing preferences to determine who can view or edit the report. Finally, click on Done to finish setting up Looker Studio. You are now ready to explore your data with Looker Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.